What's up, YouTube? Back again for another video, and make sure you guys stick through this whole video. I got tremendous value, tremendous tips this video, and things I want you guys to follow to help you in the long run. But first, I want to touch on who's subscribed and who's not. As you can see, 85% of my viewers aren't subscribed and 14% are. So if you can hit that subscribe button, it will help the channel out tremendously. Be able to get monetized when I get 1,000 subscribers and be able to commit more time to the channel to help you guys out. But with that being said, let's kick off the video. Let's get straight into it. And if you haven't read up on the new rules that have came to Amazon, check out this video right here. It's explaining, what I'm about to touch on right now. So there goes that. And then, okay, so the new rules in Amazon. So now our slots are designs and not products, okay? So this is what the breakdown would look like in my account right now, okay? So luckily, I tend to just use standard shirts on a lot of designs. I wait till it sells, and then I start adding more products, okay? So I have 298 designs, and now I have 202 free slots, right? So what you guys want to do is, before Amazon changes everybody's dashboard, which people in the highest tiers are already, these new changes is already went into effect, okay? So this is called, this is Productor through Merchant Former. So this already shows me what it would look like when they change my dashboard. So what I want you guys to do is go through all of your designs and start just uploading standards. Start deleting like hoodies that aren't selling, tank tops, and get as many different designs up as you can before we're only able to upload 2 a day. So for a while, Amazon is not letting us upload many things because they just changed the format of merch and what we're doing, and they don't want to let it get too saturated fast, and they're trying to probably get their servers ready to maintain all of these uploads from us. So what you want to do is you want to get as many designs up as possible. So even if your slots are full, go through, delete tank tops, sweaters, v-neck, shit that doesn't sell, and upload standards, because for a while what's gonna happen is, hold on, I'll show you my dashboard. So they haven't changed mine yet, right? So I'll show you guys that. I don't really care, but okay, so they haven't changed it, so I can still upload 25 a day. So when they change it, I'm only going to be able to upload two designs a day until they bring back how many we can upload, which probably is going to be less than it was before. So what you guys need to do is, since one design is going to equal one slot now, no matter how many products we choose, you want to go in and start just uploading different designs, okay? So you can get ahead of the bunch. So in this time where we can't be that active on our account because we can't upload often, now this is the time to focus on other print on demand platforms. Get your Redbubbles going, get your Etsy going, get your FDM, fulfilled by merchant stuff going right now, because we're only going to be able to upload 2 a day. So like I said, you want to make sure you can get as many designs up as possible instead of, many products as possible, because like I said, you know, when we're going through that process, you want to be able to be like, okay, I got all these designs up. Okay, I could just click these extra products, click these extra products. Okay, this day I'm just going to keep clicking extra products and, get set up and be able to fill up these designs faster, if that makes sense. So that is my game plan, is to get as many designs up, because now we don't know. Let me show you guys this again. Now we don't know if we need to fill up 80% of our designs before we get tiered up now. We don't know. So just in case that is how they're doing it, you want to make sure that you can get as many designs up as possible, because, the next few months is when sales is about to kick off, and 4th of July, and then down the road, Halloween and Christmas. So you want to make sure that we can have 80% of our slots filled, okay? So you need to crank up these designs, delete these other, this other shit that's not selling, like tank tops, like shit that I don't put up is like V-necks. I hate V-necks. They never fucking sell for me. I don't put up premiums. They don't sell for me. I don't put up ragaloos. They never sell for me. So all of those type of products, get to deleting those today. Use your daily upload to put nothing but different designs in the standard t-shirt, so you can make sure that you have as many designs as possible, because like I said, you don't know if they want us to have 80% filled before we tier up, or if they're just going to go by sales now. We don't know that, so we're not going to wait to find out. So like I said, that's what I want you guys to do today. I feel like it'll help you tremendously, because we're not going to be as active on our accounts for this time being, coming up, because look, I'm in tier 500 and they're only going to give me 2 slots to open every day until they suspend this that's going on as far as the uploads for the day. So until they bring it back to 25, or more than 2, I'm going to make sure I have many designs up, because if I'm only able to put 2 designs up a day, how long is it going to take me to get 80% designs up out of my threshold or my tier? So yeah, that's what I got for this video today. I know it's going to help you guys out tremendously. Like I said, this time where we can't do much on our accounts but upload 2, and that should only take you less than 10 minutes a day to just upload 2 different products. So right now, all our designs that we have now that we've been using for merch, we need to get to these other print-on-demand sites and crank them out while we can't be as active as we want to be on our merch accounts. So yeah, man. If you like this content, man, please subscribe, like, comment. Let me know you guys' opinions on this. Let me know what kind of content you guys want me to help out with, and I'll definitely make it. But yeah, that's all I got for this video, man. Till next time.